The UNWGIC 2022 has been a great conference so far. It's been wonderful to be together again in person and to exchange knowledge and ideas with my colleagues from around the world.
Sharing of ideas, I find it very important and critical for me. So when I go back home, I'll be able to share with my colleagues some of the information that I have learned or gained in this Congress.
The second United Nations World Geospatial Information Congress. This has been a big opportunity for us and at a school level.
It was a learning experience. We learned that there are different schools with different ideas.
It's very interesting to hear about the IGIF, and its applications are very much of interest to me. So especially I follow with a lot of interest the development of the geospatial knowledge infrastructure and its principles.
Some of the key takeaways are that sustainable development and the environment are really important to stakeholders across the ecosystem.
There are a lot of expertise, a lot of insights that we are getting from this session. My key take home is that we need to start having an agile process that aligns to geospatial technology and application.
The students have got so much of exposure, so much of learning that happened in these 3-4 days that they could never imagine.
I listen and watch the many things doing in India and their effort and the UNs.
Our experience here today, we're really excited to talk about the SDG Data Alliance, the geospatial data, working with the UNWGIC group.
This event has been really diverse and bringing lots of people together from different backgrounds, perspectives, countries. We've had a really good side event session on the first day about diversity and inclusion.
This Congress is a wonderful opportunity for us to strengthen networking and how to utilize the geospatial information for the better future of our country.
We have got a lot of opportunities here and participated here with our own project based on our local place, Chilika.
That is an excellent venue. It's very well organized. The objective of bringing together all the stakeholders which are forming our discipline and our domain. It's a benefit to bring together the industry, academics, as well as governmental agencies and the institutions.
This is the first time after COVID we come together under the umbrella of the UNWGIC to meeting and discussing series of new norms that we never actually experienced in the past, and now we are seeing the power of digitalization and also the power of location.
In this conference, I learned a lot from the importance of utilizing this global tool of IGIF in every country.
I've taken so much inspiration this week from the people that I've heard from. So for me, it's been a real journey of discovery.
The conference is very important because in other countries and display your work in this thematic is very important for the development of country.
We have come to know that geospatial technology plays a great role, and it has opened our eyes. Our point of view for geospatial technology has changed.
This Congress is clearly manifestation of the progress which we all together as a community achieved in the improvement of geospatial information management. And I heard many presentations and best practices. We all together are on the right way to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals, and as it was in the title, leave no one behind.